Police constable who shot and killed gunman before losing his own life identified. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The district constable who shot and killed a gunman before he succumbed to injuries he received during a tussle with his attacker in Manchester on Friday night has been identified. He is Dwight Gregory, a 53-year-old attached to the Mandeville police station. The gunman remains unidentified. Reports are that two firearms, one with the serial number erased, were found at the scene of the incident. Reports are that the policeman was at a sports bar in Abbey Gardens in a section of the parish when he went outside. According to sources, a few minutes later, loud explosions were heard. Both men were found suffering from what appears to be gunshot wounds. They were rushed to hospital where both men were pronounced dead. The Mandeville police are investigating. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.